We're here at Llangorse Lake. The lake's burst its bank, so we're probably gonna have to go a different route. I just want to be out for between 5 and 6 hours, just so that I can get my sort of quality lowland day in. And obviously this is really good practice for me, so that I can show that I navigated around a water hazard. I'm going to walk along the road until we get to this next village. Right guys, there's the church in the distance. Found an earlier turning just before we got to the village, which I'm not going to butcher having to say the name, but basically it cuts off a little bit of the corner, which actually gets us back to the lake a bit quicker. I want to go the main route when you can do this. It's like a little woodland trail just on the outskirts. Doesn't particularly have a name, but you've got streams, you've got wildlife. This seems just like a much better walk than what I had originally planned. Inquisitive sheep. Made some friends, guys. So I've been practicing a little bit of navigation because it's very small parts of the map, even on 125,000. But basically I was looking at that mountain, looking at those cottages, and just working out that I was definitely going in the right direction. This basically sums up my day, crossing small little streams that aren't supposed to be streams. Hi guys. Okay, found the gate. And even better news, I don't have to hop it because it's not locked. I found a gap, but it's not very big, but it will do. I'll get through eventually. Bird of prey. I don't really know what it is. Silver-tip wing underneath. So guys, we made it down to the lake. As you can see, it's burst its banks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk on the outer path, because there is an outer path, and we're just gonna see how well it goes. It's a lot of exercise.
It may seem like just fields, but you are standing in one of the most important wildlife areas in Wales.
Guys, as much as I hate to say it, I think there's rain on the way. However, what we're doing is we're just walking down this path, hugging the lake, hand-railing it on the left, and we will hit a small village with a small church as we get there. Guys, wow, Amazing. We've had lunch and we're just going to get started again. For you bird watchers, that was just a bird watching station over here on Llangorse Lake. There's the bench where I stayed and had lunch. It was really, really good. Guys, we made it to the village. Really enjoying the views of the lake. So guys, you walk up past the church, past the house, and then about halfway up, it's quite hidden at this time of year, there's a path here. Don't get distracted by the beautiful view like I did. There's a stile here, just on the left. So you're meant to stay on the left side of that linear feature. So that's what we're gonna do. So at the moment we're walking away from the lake. Been on this road for a while now. So guys, when you get to the top of the road, it'll look like this, and it turns into an actual path. Although you probably could get a car up here, but a struggle. There you go guys, there's the lake. We've walked pretty much all the way around. As you see this like sort of row of trees, this is where I should have come. And then you come out here, and then you come through this field, and then just behind us here, this is the field you go through, and then you get to another field, and that's how you get back down into Llangorse. There is, was it a gate with a blue sign on?
Down at your neighbour's house.
Yeah, so as you're coming up the hill, you'll be very tempted to carry on up the track, the sort of road bit. There's a gate next to the neighbour's house just a bit further down. Two gates next to the neighbour's house a bit further down, and then you can go through to the left-hand gate and then come up this path. You know me and names. My memory's awful. The gentleman just told me his name and I've totally forgotten it already, but really lovely guy. Done software development for over 20 years, and just chatting to him and playing a bit of catch with his dogs because I'd gone the wrong way, and I was only one field over, but it's absolutely lovely, and he's put these cones out for us all just to make sure we don't miss the path. So but I still managed to do it. But we're back on the path now, and hopefully the last little tidbit will make sure you don't make the same mistake as me. I am so glad I came up onto the hills. Look at that view in the background. Dropping quite a lot, and it's quite wet underfoot, so really soft ground. Just trying to keep my balance a little bit here. We're going to come out by a road which I can sort of see. It's not going to be majorly big, so we're just going to have to keep an eye out for it. It's on our left. Guys, this is why you come on random walks, because you don't see this every day. Look at that. Awesome. Found a sign. That is really hidden. So you come out the top just there, just keep to the left side of the field and you'll see this. Look at that, guys, just like double rainbowed, like just stops at the cloud. Anyway, coming out of the rain now. Pretty much been that today. Brief showers and then sunshine. Guys, we made it to Llangorse. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.